I'm gonna do some Chem, 20 milliliters in my beaker. I'm mixing, looking for combustion. Chemistry is awesome.
Now, walk up in the lab like, hey doc, you got a watch glass? I'm so pumped about some lab in my chem class. Ice on the glass, taking in that energy that people like. Dang, got that plus enthalpy. Enthalpy, entropy, finding gives free energy. Tertiary all pinks up, my copper pluses, those are green. Pour it all in the sink, doc standing right next to me. Probably should have washed this. Smells like Johnny-Kiss.
But wait, I got 99 points. Confident washing it, about to go and get some compliments, passing up those cylinders, something else been fizzing in, but me, I calculated it, man, I am burning and cooling and collecting gas, I'm a hella happy I got conserved mass. I'ma take your teacher style, I'ma take your teacher style. No, for real, ask your teachers. Can I go in the Logger Pro?
Using pure energy with some gas ideal. Reading about the gas laws here that I found reading. Books that use 3 molar, I made my own 3 molar. Found limiting reactants and I found percent yield. Hello, my ace man, my doctor. Hydrogen ain't got nothing in that bond game. Hell no, I could take some solid things, grab a plate, heat those. AP nerds be like, oh, hey, got that soluble.
I'm gonna do some Chem, 20 milliliters in my beaker. I'm mixing, looking for combustion. Chemistry is awesome. I'm gonna do some Chem, 20 milliliters in my beaker. I'm mixing, looking for combustion. Chemistry is awesome.
What you know about watching a salad as it's baking? What you knowin' about the structure of those atoms in? I'm working, I'm searching right through that textbook, those coefficients, that's balanced equation. But make sure you knock out all those unchanged ions, cause right now I'm making a net ionic. I'm at the high school, you can find me in the chem lab. I'm not sick of doing all these trials. Draw atoms, draw ions, got pluses, got minus. I'll take that double replacement, but it ain't. That's a redox taking place there. Aqueous solutions that precipitate flowing down there. I light the H and it pops, make a boom up in there.
They'd be like, oh, entropy, that's hella low. I'm like, yo, entropy increases with time. Has these laws our mission, let's do some simple addition. Got a negative enthalpy that's just some heat escaping. I call that getting educated and smart. I call that getting ready for college. Their lab's hella dope. And passing it all up, cause this course is way too hard, is a hella don't. Peep game, come take a look through my telescope. Trying to get likes resolving dislikes, man, you hella won't. Man, you hella won't. AP Chem, taking tests, yeah.
I'm gonna do some Chem, 20 milliliters in my beaker. I'm mixing, looking for combustion. Chemistry is awesome.
I'll take the AP test, and I will beat the rest. I'm in this big lab coat, from that high school down that road. I'll take the AP test, and I will beat the rest. I'm in this big lab coat, from that high school down that road.
I'm gonna do some Chem, 20 milliliters in my beaker. I'm mixing, looking for combustion. Chemistry is awesome.
Is that your grandma's coat?
Okay, so there's antimony, arsenic, aluminum, selenium, and hydrogen, and oxygen, and nitrogen, and uranium, and nickel, neodymium, neptunium, germanium, and iron, americium, ruthenium, uranium, europium, zirconium, lutetium, vanadium, and anthium, and osmium, and acetine, and radium, and golden protactinium, and indium, and gallium, and iodine, thorium, and thulium, and thallium. There's yttrium, and terbium, actinium, rubidium, and boron, gadolinium, and niobium, iridium, and strontium, and silicon, silver, and barium, bismuth, bromine, lithium, beryllium, and barium. And let's start the next verse. There's holmium and helium. There's holmium and helium and apium and erbium, phosphorus and francine and fluorine and terbium, and manganese and mercury, molybdenum, magnesium, dysprosium and scandium and cerium and cesium. There's lead, praseodymium, platinum, plutonium, palladium, promethium, potassium, polonium, and tantalum, technetium, titanium, tellurium, and cadmium, and calcium, chromium, and curium. There's sulfur, californium, and fermium, berkelium, and also mendelevium, arseninium, nobelium, and argon, radon, neon, and argon. Hold on, quiet. sulfur, californium, and fermium, berkelium, and also mendelevium, einsteinium, nobelium, and argon, radon, neon, krypton, xenon, zinc, and rhodium, and chlorine, carbon, cobalt, copper, tungsten, tin, and sodium. Now,